Welcome to Cambridge Motors Plumstead, established 1959. Here we have a 68 reg Hyundai Ioniq hybrid. Very clean car in silver. Rear camera, rear parking sensors. This vehicle has. Very, very efficient car. Keyless entry, keyless starting. That's what this button means here. This is your lock and unlock button. Side airbags, height adjustable passenger seat. Your instruction menus there, lock and wheel nut key there. Always make sure you have them. Isofix rear seats. 4 electric windows. This is a very useful window. I'll show it when you sit inside actually. There's your camera. Hyundai Ioniq hybrid. Cavernous boot area. Luggage come up cover. You can take this off if you don't want it on there. This guy actually has a spare wheel, which is quite rare. Subwoofer for your stereo. Yeah. Comes the rain. 4 electric windows, electric mirrors, auto folding mirrors as well. Electronic lumbar support, height adjustable driver's seat. Done 14,818 miles. Keyless, you put your foot on the brake, push this button to start it. 2 power outlets here. Auxiliary, see this USB and auxiliary there. Actually has wireless phone charging, which is what, if I zoom in, that's what this symbol means. You put your phone on here and it will wirelessly charge. Heated seat, heated steering wheel, heated both front seats are heated. Sat nav, get into reverse, reversing camera, radio, DAB radio, map, settings, phone projection, so you use this to project your phone to the screen. Android Auto, Apple Carplay. You can have information, media. This basically means you connect your phone and then you'd be able to use this as a media device. A USB here. Quite a nice pocket there to store stuff. Illuminated vanity mirror, both sides. Has a automatic, this dims the mirror. This is what I was saying about that small window at the back. Condensation, steaming the car up. That is so I can see out the back. That's that little window at the back. Auto lights here. These 2 buttons here and here are when you're in sport. Click it across and you can then use this to change your gear. Up here you can change these menus here. You can have different menus up there if you wish. Voice activation if you have a phone plugged in, basically. To turn the vehicle off, push this button here. Infinity stereo, speakers. Thank you for watching. Any questions, please give us a call.